Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, we are now going to go over the Aldi Weekly Finds for the week of June the 28th, and don't forget, here today and gone tomorrow. We're going to start off with the Aldi Home Goods section first. We only have one item in this section, and it is the Crofton 40-ounce vacuum insulated bottle. It is only $9.99 each. It comes in black, blue, purple, or yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and move right over to the kitchen section. So we have the Crofton 11-inch Kamal for $7.99 each. The Crofton 8-piece glass bowl set with multicolor lids, $9.99 each. They are microwave and oven safe, but only the glass. We have the Crofton bamboo fridge or pantry organizer for $12.99 each. We have the Crofton bamboo melamine tableware for $9.99 each. You can get it as a 4-piece bowl set, 4-piece plate set, or 4-piece cup set. The Crofton bamboo serving tray set is $12.99, and it does come with 2 trays. Crofton bamboo and steel utensils, you can get the tong set or the spoon set for only $9.99. Here we have the Crofton carbon steel wok, only $14.99. You can get it in black or silver. The Crofton expandable lunch or salad container, only $7.99 each. Crofton food chopper, $9.99 each. You can get it in gray or green. And here's something I really want. Y'all know I love my charcuterie boards. And this is beautiful. It's the Crofton marble cheese board. It's only $14.99 each. You can get it square, hexagon, or oval. We have the Crofton mini salad spinner or spiral slicer. They are $6.99 each. Here we have the Crofton paella pan for $9.99 each. The Crofton Perfect paper towel holder, only $12.99 each. It can be wall mounted or just upright. The Crofton serving caddy, only $9.99 each. You can get it in black or brown. Crofton titanium knife set, $7.99 each. It comes in matte black, green, or blue and is dishwasher safe. The Huntington Home towels, dishcloths, pot holder, or oven mitts are only $3.99 each. They come in blue, orange, yellow, or green. And the last item in this section is the Joie bag clips or sink strainer for $2.79 each. You can get the owl, cat, crocodile, frog, or rainbow. I think the alligator clips are just absolutely adorable. Now we're moving right along to the decor section. First up, we have the Huntington Home 2x6 multi-woven runner for $14.99, and it does come in assorted designs. We have the Huntington Home 5x7 boho indoor-outdoor area rug for $39.99, and again, that is assorted designs that match the runner. We have the Huntington Home 50x60 boho throw for only $14.99, and this comes in assorted styles as well. We have the Huntington Home boho decor pillow for $12.99, and that comes in assorted designs too. Here we have the Huntington Home boho table runner, only $9.99 each. It is a 14x90 with a fringe. The Huntington Home double-sided chalkboard easel sign is only $19.99. Here we have the Huntington Home round or square floor pillow for $16.99. The Huntington Home vintage glass candle is only $4.99 each. You can get it in pink pineapple lemonade, wild mint eucalyptus, magnolia peony, or teakwood and sage. And our last item is in the decor section is the Huntington Home wood Hurricane for $16.99 each. You do use it with a flameless candle only. Now we're moving right along into the garden and patio section. Of course, this is one of my favorite sections, and the first item up is the Balavi bamboo lantern, $14.99 each. We have the Balavi bird feeder for $9.99 each. You can get it in a picnic table, Adirondack chair, or a swing. Next up is the Balavi ceramic birdhouse for $9.99 each. You can get it oval or rounded square. I like that a lot. I think I'm going to look for that. We have the Balavi Fringe Market umbrella for $39.99. You can get it in canyon clay or cream. This is another item that I really want to get. The Balavi hummingbird feeder for $9.99, and it does come in 3 different designs. We have the Balavi tabletop torch for only $4.99. The Balavi wooden roll top portable table, $29.99. We also have the Crofton portable picnic tray for $14.99. This is another cool item. It's the Garden Line bird feeding station for $14.99. It has 4 hooks for the feeders, and it does include a bird bath and suet cage. We have the Huntington Home 20 by 36 Manhattan or Wyndham doormat, only $8.99. It is for indoor or outdoor use, and it comes in 5 different styles. We have the Huntington Home 30 by 47 Manhattan doormat for $14.99. You can get it in brown or gray, and again, this is indoor and or outdoor use as well. Now let's move over to the apparel section. First up, we have the Crane Market tote bag, only $14.99. You can get it in natural canvas or slate canvas. We have the Crane men's or ladies lightweight slip-on shoes, only $6.99 each. The ladies come in orange or pink, and the men's come in blue. We also have the Lily and Dan children's lightweight slip-ons, and they're only $3.99 each. They come in orange, blue dino, pink glitter, or green. We have the Sierra Ladies beach pants for $12.99. Friends, now we're just moving right along to the pet supplies, another one of my favorite sections. First up, we have the Heart to Tail bolster pet bed. It is only $24.99. We have the Heart to Tail inflatable pet pool for $9.99. And look how adorable this one is. It has the little paw prints all around it. We have something for the cat. It's the Heart to Tail Pet Chaser and 3-in-1 Cat Track. It's only $9.99. The Heart to Tail Pet Cooling Mat for $9.99 each. It comes in blue tie-dye, yellow arch, pink stripe, or green palm. And here we have the Heart to Tail Pet Splash Pad. It's only $12.99. You can get it in beach or jungle. And friends, I just watched a little TikTok video where somebody had this, and their dog was going crazy. I couldn't stop laughing. It was so adorable. And here we have the Heart to Tail Pet Sprinkler for $12.99. You can get a fire hydrant, a rocket, or rainbow. Next up, we have the Heart to Tail Wing or Monster Bone Dog Chew. It is only $8.99 each. We have the Nerf Pet Toy Assortment for $12.99. You can get a blaster pack or a tire flyer pack. That was a mouthful. And the last item in our pet section is the Pure Being Cheese or a Peanut Butter Churro Dog Chew. It is only $3.99 each, and friends, it is made in the USA. Now we're moving right along to the sports and outdoor activities section. First up, we have the Best Way Candy Lounge Rainbow Float or Scent Swim Ring for $6.99. We have the Crane flexible tub for $4.99 each. You can get it in floral, turquoise, or lemon. We have the Flare light up flying disc for only $4.99. This is great in the pool. The Sierra picnic cooler bag for only $9.99 each. It comes in gray, terracotta, or blue print. And our last item is in this section is the Summer Waves novelty pool float for only $6.99. It comes in a bunch of fun designs, and I think that hamburger beach ball is just so stinking cute. Now we're moving into the alcohol section. If you're lucky enough that your store does sell alcohol, they do not here in Maryland. We only have one item, and obviously it's not available in all locations. It's the Beach Colada Wine Specialty. You do need to check your store for prices. It says that it's sweet with flavors of coconut. I love coconut, and I'm not a big drinker. I don't really drink at all, but this one sounds really good to me. So let's move right into the beverages. We have the Coca-Cola mini can 10-pack. It is 7.5 ounce cans for $4.49. You can get it in original or zero zero sugar. We have the LaCroix sparkling flavored water. It is a 15 pack of 12 ounce cans. That is only $5.55. We have the Nature's Nectar Sparkling Pineapple Juice. It's a 4-pack for $3.89, and it does come in assorted varieties. We have the Pure Aqua Liquid Water Enhancer Tea for $3.59. You can get peach, raspberry, or sweet tea. We're moving along to the bakery and bread section. And this is the only item we have here in this section, and it is the specially selected plant-based brioche buns for $2.79 each. Now on to the snacks. First up, we have the Clancy's Ranch tortilla chips for $2.19 each. We also have the Clancy's roasted garlic or sea salt bagel chips for $2.49. They're one of the ones that I like a lot. We have the Craters cheese and caramel mixed popcorn for $3.28 each. They have the Nabisco s'mores Oreos, and they are $4.58 each. Our last snack item is the Ritz Crisp and Thins. They are $3.92 each. You can get them in cream cheese and onion, original with creamy onion and sea salt, or one of my favorites, salt and vinegar. So now we're moving right along to the deli section. First up, we have the Deutsche Küche. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. I'm probably butchering it. It's the Bavarian brand wieners, original or mustard, for $4.49 each. We have the Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen barbecued pulled pork pizza, $6.99 each. We have the specially selected chimichurri cold smoked salmon for $4.39 each. The specially selected s'mores souffle 2-pack for $4.99 each. Now we're going to move right along to the frozen food. First up, we have the Fremont Fish Market Colossal Easy Peel Raw Shrimp for $9.99 each. We have the Priano Sorrentina or the 4-cheese gnocchi for $2.99 each. The Screamin' Sicilian Thin Crust Cheese or Pepperoni Pizza for $4.99 each. We have the Sunday Shop Chocolate Fudge or White Chocolate Caramel Ultimate Cones, $3.99 each. We have the Sunday Shop Sherbet Quart for $2.69 each. The Tyson Thin Sliced Chicken Breast, $7.49 each for a 36-ounce package. And our last item in the frozen section is the Yummy Alpha Buddies for $7.99 each. They're little chicken breast nuggets. Now we're moving right along to the fresh meat and seafood section. First up, we have the fresh sweet bourbon Atlantic salmon on a cedar plank for $10.99 per pound. We have the Smithfield fresh St. Louis pork spare ribs for $2.29 per pound. And the last item in this section is the fresh sweet chili lime chicken skewers, $7.49 each. We have the pantry essentials. We only have one item in this section. It is the Casa Mamita Mexican style corn for $1.19 for one 11-ounce can. And I do want to try this. I have a feeling it's going to be good. Now we're moving right along to the household section. First up, we have the Boulder Flex Drawstring Kitchen Bags for $12.99 each, and it is a 120 count box. We have the Boulder Heavy Duty Aluminum Foil for $2.99 each. And our very last Aldi find is the Easy Home Flat Panel Air Circulation Fan for $19.99, and the fan does have 4 different speeds. Quickly, I just would like to go over some items on the Aldi website. The items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. I'd like to also go over Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting their finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, don't forget, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I will get back with you next week with the next new Aldi finds. Have a great day, y'all.